Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. For the very first time in the history of Enroll, we are introducing high grade school and academy, which provides exceptional schooling with digital resources. It's a dream come true and will ensure a bright future for your kids. Few of the outclass practices which differentiate it from other schools and colleges include educational environment following national and international standards, digital classes, fully secured CCTV environment, integration of Islamic values and teachings, specialized academic initiatives. On the request of our valued and sincere parents, we have initiated the school from class prep to class 8th. So don't get late to contact and get your kids enrolled at priority because high grade school is giving an ultimate discount in terms of no admission fee till 31st May and also waiver of fee for the month of June and July. So why not? You can contact us on given number. You may also visit us at Main Hyderabad Road, Bank Alfala, first floor, Enroll. Visiting timings are from 9 am in the morning till 3 pm in the evening. Ensure empowering your kids' future with our innovative blend of technology and language mastery. Parents trust high grade school and academy.